Good afternoon and welcome to Nifty BN. We're breaking down the Q2 FY26 results for Tata Motors passenger vehicles, where a major cyber attack at JLR has overshadowed strong domestic performance. Taking a look at the consolidated numbers for Q2, revenue fell 13.5% year-over-year to 72,349 crores. The company reported a negative EBITDA of 100 crores and a loss before tax of 5,462 crores. As the text notes, this performance was heavily impacted by that cyber incident at Jaguar Land Rover. Now, the net profit figure looks, staggering at 76,200 crores. But there's a crucial piece of context. This includes an exceptional notional profit of 82,600 crores from discontinued operations. Meanwhile, the automotive free cash flow for the quarter was negative at an outflow of 8,300 crores. Drilling down into the segments, JLR was hit hard. Operations were severely affected, leading to a 24.3% drop in revenue to £4.9 billion. The EBIT margin was negative 8.6% and the loss before tax came in at £485 million. The good news is that production levels have reportedly returned to normal. However, the story for the domestic Tata PV business is completely different. It saw strong 15.6% revenue growth to over 13,500 crores, thanks to festive demand and GST 2.0. EBITDA margins held steady at 5.8% and the division was EBIT positive at 0.2%. The domestic highlights are quite strong. EV penetration hit 17% and CNG hit 28% of sales. Tata's EV market share remains dominant at 41.4%. The Nexon was the #1 selling model in the entire industry for September and October, and the Altroz secured a 5-star Bharat NCAP rating across all its versions. Looking ahead, the company has had to revise its guidance. JLR's full-year EBIT margin is now expected to be between 0% and 2%, with a significant cash outflow. Despite this, the company expects an all-round improvement in the second half of the year, citing robust domestic demand. So, a mixed bag. Management acknowledges it was a difficult period but remains committed to emerging stronger. The domestic PV business, meanwhile, celebrated a landmark quarter with strong growth. It really highlights the impact of that JLR cyber incident on the group's overall health. What are your thoughts on Tata Motors' recovery plan for JLR? Let us know your analysis in the comments below. Disclaimer: this update is for informational purposes only and is not a recommendation. Please do your own due diligence before making any investment decision.